What's up, guys? So today I'm just going to show you guys how to pull off your entire windshield wiper, the whole blade and the arm, I guess is what you could call it. So all right, so all we're going to do first is you're going to pull the wiper blade up fully out till it clicks like that. Then it will allow us to pull out this little tab here. So the tab's right there. All we're going to do is pull it that way, just like that. And then you're just gonna lift it straight off, just like that. So then you could, replace the blade if you want to, or, to be able to pull the windshield down or to pull this cowl off, you'll need to take these off. So then to line it back up, there's a ton of teeth on here. So this might take a little bit of time on readjusting this. So remember to pull it out, adjust it. So this might take you a little bit to get it back to being good again. And there we go. So pretty simple way to take these off. So if the video was helpful, please give the video a thumbs up. Definitely consider subscribing if you're not subscribed already. And we'll see you guys in the next video.